Let us try to understand the instructions in the reading test because instructions are the most important part of the reading test. If you do not understand the instructions, then obviously you are not able to answer the question correctly. And if you answer the question which is not according to the instructions, then your answer will be wrong. So, the first and a very common instruction is write no more than two words and or a number. Now, no more than two words and slash or a number. This is quite confusing, and most of the students get confused in this. This means that you can write one word in answer, you can write two words, you can write a combination of one words or two words with a number, or you can write only a number. So all these answers are permitted when the instruction says write no more than two words and or a number. These are the other instructions that you will get. Write the answer in one word only. Very common. You have to write the answer only in one word. Write the answer in one word and or a number. Again, similar thing. Write the answer in no more than two words. That means you can write one word or two words. You cannot go beyond two words. Write the answer in no more than two words and or a number. Now, one thing to note here is if they are writing only a word, that means they are not allowing any number. Then even if the answer is a number, you have to write it in word. For example, if the answer is 10, instead of writing 10, you will write TEN in figures. Write the answer in no more than three words. That is, the three words is a maximum limit, but you can write in one word, you can write in two words, you can write in three words, but not beyond three words you can go. How words are counted in IELTS? Numbers, dates, and time are counted as words in writing. For example, 3, 4 times 0, it is one word. 5, it is one word. 9:30 a.m. without any space in between, that is also counted as one word. This is a date which is written without any space, that is also counted as one word in writing. 6 space million, these are two words. In listening, 30,000 is considered as one number, and 9:30 a.m. is also one number without any space. Dates like 12th space July, it's one word and one number in listening and two words in writing. Symbols with numbers are not counted. For example, 44%, it is only one number, but 68, PERCENT, that is one word plus one number. Again, 9 a.m. without any space, it is counted as one word in writing. In listening, it is counted as one number only. Small words like a, and, prepositions like at, all are counted. Hyphenated words like up to date, they are counted as one word. Compound nouns which are written as one word are also counted as one word. Blackboard, this is one word. But if it is written as two words, that is university bookshop, it will be counted as two words. All words are counted, including words in brackets. For example, the major portion was covered by agriculture, in bracket 58%. So 58% is also counted. Total words become 8. Brackets can be used in writing task 1, but not in listening or reading. If in listening or reading you are using brackets, then your answer will be wrong. Contradictions are counted as one word. For example, contractions are counted as one word. For example, it is one word, but it is means they are two words.